Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Exbobar espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. I think I put a little bit too much coffee in this one. That's why it's going a little on the slow side. See, the pressure's at 10 bar, and the boiler pressure is about 1.2. But you can see we get really nice crema, but yeah, the pump is working a little extra hard because, and you could hear it, because I had too much coffee in there. And because some machines I've been running at 20 grams, and this machine probably should be more about 18. And then the thing we did with this machine is we replaced the power switch. And the connectors, and you can see how the connectors are burnt. And the heat in the burning connectors probably caused the switch to get warped inside. That's my guess, and so the switch doesn't move all the way. Kind of gets stuck in the center. And the reason that these get burned is because they're loose. So, and then you get arcing inside. So, let's see if you can see this. It's kind of hard to tell. Can't really see the looseness because I only have one hand to hold it. But anyways, they get some arcing inside, and then they start to burn and the switch goes back. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.